Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular AMD AM5 motherboards, the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A gaming Wi-Fi and the ASRock B650M HDV/M.2. In this video, we will explore their specifications, features, and user reviews to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. When it comes to price, the ASUS ROG Strix B650A is priced at $249, while the ASRock B650M HDV comes in at a more budget-friendly $159. This significant difference in price reflects the features and capabilities of each motherboard. The ASUS board offers high-end features suitable for gamers and enthusiasts, while the ASRock provides a solid performance for those on a budget. The ASUS ROG Strix B650A is packed with features such as Wi-Fi 6E, multiple M.2 slots, and advanced audio capabilities. In contrast, the ASRock B650M HDV offers fewer features, including no Wi-Fi and only 2 DIMM slots for RAM. While the ASUS board is designed for high-performance setups, the ASRock is more suited for basic builds. User reviews for the ASUS ROG Strix B650A highlight its excellent build quality, ease of installation, and robust performance. However, some users noted initial booting issues. On the other hand, the ASRock B650M HDV is praised for its stability and value for money, although some users reported issues with customer support. This feedback is crucial for potential buyers to consider. In conclusion, both motherboards have their strengths and weaknesses. The ASUS ROG Strix B650A is ideal for those seeking high-end features and performance, while the ASRock B650M-HDV is a great choice for budget-conscious users. We hope this comparison helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.